everyone knows one of the hottest technologies this year is energy-saving green solutions. It's actually everywhere. Everyone wants to know how to save the planet and how to save power. And we're here with Dom Gelinesi from Embertec. He's got a great product that's going to show us how we can save some money from our home electronics. What do you have there, Dom?
Ben, here we have really a PC type device. It's aimed at the PC market and also the AV market. First I'll talk about the PC environment. Essentially it's an energy saving platform which can be utilised in all manner of product and is used with both desktop and laptop or notebook as they're referred to in the US, PCs.
So I see you have a box here. Is this something that would control the PC?
Essentially, yes. This device here will sit behind your PC. It comes in all manner of forms, but the technology inside is the same. So essentially you'll plug in your PC into a dedicated PC socket, and all your other peripheral devices would plug into your energy saving socket. Plugs into your PC, stick it behind the desk, and you're done.
And basically when your computer turns off, it's acting as the master. All your peripherals would then turn off, thereby saving you power from all your devices.
Exactly, Ben. It goes one step further. It also is able to determine when your PC goes into a standby mode or a hibernate mode. Every standby mode and hibernate mode and off mode in PCs are different. We're able to profile and learn each characteristic mode in every PC.
Now this master-slave environment that you have where the PC is the master and when it turns off it saves power with all peripherals, that's great for a PC, but I've heard it's not that good for audio-video systems because if you make your television the master per se, what happens when you want to listen to your stereo without turning the TV on? How do you guys get around that problem?
Exactly. We adopt what's called a masterless system, and the reason for that is exactly the point you just raised. I'm at home, I want to listen to my stereo. If my TV is a master, typically I've got a plasma and LCD TV consuming around about 100 and 300 watts, sometimes more. So in order to listen to my stereo, I have to first turn on my TV. I'm now consuming 300 watts to listen to a device which consumes 25. I'm no longer saving power. I've actually now negated any power savings I did achieve.
So how does your system get around that issue?
Our product has a master's approach. We don't have a master-slave environment in AV. Every device in your AV environment that you want to power save is considered the master. And we look at them as a total group of devices. And we're able to determine when your device is actually in use or not in use and disable power to them at the right time.
So basically if you've got a box like a TiVo that needs to stay on, your system will know that, it won't turn the TiVo off. But if you've got kids that are running in and out of the room, if you've got someone who falls asleep in front of the TV, is that sort of the situation that your product will help save power?
Exactly. It's for us guys who typically like to watch sports, but you know, come 10 o'clock we do crash. And end of the day, the TV is still functioning, still consuming 300 watts of power. We'll then turn that TV off after a period of time. Your TiVo box is another example of a device you don't want to turn off. And that will have a different socket to be plugged into, an always-on socket. And that TiVo stays on permanently because you'll be recording devices in the middle of the night.
So Dom, where will people find the Embertec technology?
The next time you go to a consumer electronics store to buy a power bar, UPS device, or any other power management device, look for the Embertec logo. That's your assurance that you've got the greenest, most intelligent, energy-saving technology on the market.
Dom Gelinesi, Embertec Products, thanks very much for your time.
Ben, thank you.